और कैसे चल रहा है?
Enjoying superb.
Long walk.
Awesome long walk.
Long walk.
Up to Kataldhar, then further another 9 to 10 kilometer further walk on the similar road.
So all walk.
It's all walk and walk. Nothing else.
So we have a captain over here. Captain, would you like to say something about today's trek?
Yeah, this is one of the most magnificent trek of Sahyadri, especially the waterfall Kataldhar, one of the biggest and most scenic waterfall that I have ever been in Sahyadri Hills. So let's hope we get enough water and also the weather remains clear for us to get good pictures so that we can inspire others to join us next time. This has become an annual trek for now, the second year in succession that we are trekking to Kataldhar. Thank you.
Okay, great. So this is a unique trek where we have to descend first and then we have to ascend. Otherwise we have to ascend and then descend. So we are going to descend here up to the Kataldhar. It's going deep down to the valley and then enjoy the waterfall and we'll come back. And then we will going towards the Rajmachi Fort. So that is our plan, and we have to cut the token entry by the forest people, and the bikers are here. And here is a small tea store where you can keep the bags over here. This is the entry point towards the Kataldhar Waterfall. So this two mango tree is a landmark, and there is another signboard over here. This is a new thing, and here we have a forest people. You have to buy an entry ticket and then you can go.
Hi.
हाँ जी, आप दोनों how's feeling today?
Very nice. I'm feeling very cool. Very excited to enter the waterfall. Yes.
So I know that you all are water babies.
Yes, we are.
So you must be excited to go.
Jalpari.
Yes, Shiriji.
Hello.
So we have a very ambitious aim today. First we're going to visit a waterfall.
Kataldhar.
So have you ever been before?
I've been to Rajmachi several times, but first time here.
Okay, great. So what do you think about?
No, so far so good. Let's see. Hopefully we can have some water fun.
So we have a great cyclist over here, Mr. Albert. What do you have to say today?
Yeah, I'm excited of Kataldhar. Excited of the water.
I know you are also one of the water babies.
Yeah.
You love waterfall.
Yes.
Great.
Hi,
Yes.
Till now, it's awesome route, super. We enjoyed a lot of waterfalls we have seen, and from here onwards, we'll go to biggest waterfall is the Kataldhar. And I hope this would be a great waterfall. Only thing is, looking at the crowd, looks like it would be Kumbh ka Mela. right? So probably we may not have a freedom, right? So let's see. I hope, but I think onward journey would be great, right?
Okay.
कैप्टन ने नीतू का नंबर डायल किया ना, उसमें मैसेज आया कि आप जिसका मोबाइल ट्राई कर रहे हो भ्रष्ट है।
अच्छा
Best.
अच्छा नहीं 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 वैल्यूबल नहीं है, मतलब आया स्टैंड एंड एवरीथिंग, हाथ से कैसे करेंगे?
बैग नहीं रखा।
No, he's asking me why did you keep the bag? No, I said I have stand and everything.
Plus you have food or
I have food, I have this, all the whole stuff.
Albert can drink any water. But
No, I can't compare Albert.
nobody can compare Albert and us.
they are in.
आदि मानो। ट्रेन से ही
इधर आ जा, इधर इधर। वो भी है। और अंदरबान। ये ज़्यादा डार्क है, दिस इज डार्कर। शुरू में लोग इधर गुम हो जाता मालूम है। दिस इज अ मोस्ट कंफ्यूजन पॉइंट है ये। अलग अलग जगह पे चला गया लोग, गाँव वाला लेके जाके घूम के आया। हाँ So we have just done with a steep descending and we are just walking into a deep forest. And can you see? And you need to be a little bit flexible here. A lot of bending, twistings to cross. And it's a similar route to Andarban, Bhimashankar. So now we're just walking through the straight road after the steep descending. हैरान हो जाएगी। बाप रे, दो आ गया अब तो, दो आ गया। आज नीचे नहीं जा पाएगा। Here is the waterfall. Lovely. Wonderful.
Hey baby,
Ah,
look at here. Awesome. Super awesome.
wonderful, wonderful.
Wow.
इसके आगे
नहीं इसे यहाँ व्यू एक्चुअली ऊपर भी जा सकता है। ऊपर व्यू है, गुफा है। फोटो खींचने का पूरा ये छाता